Hello, this is a news from the New Times. Veterinary journalist Gatare passes away. Lambert Gatare, a nude sport journalist, has passed away at the age of 55 years old on Friday, March 21. Renowned sport journalist Lambert Gatare has passed away at the age of 55, his family has confirmed. Gatare, widely recognized for his expertise in sport commentary, particularly on Radio Rwanda, passed away on March 21 in India, where he had been receiving medical treatment. He began his career at Radio Rwanda in 1995 before joining BBC, where he was posted in Arusha, Tanzania, to cover the trials at the International Criminal Tribunal for Rwanda, a UN court established to try masterminds of the 1994 genocide against the Tutsi. In 2011, he joined Isango Star, and in 2020, he was appointed interim director of Russia Media. His captivating live commentary and in-depth analysis led him to main support and wishes across the country. In a past interview with the New Times, he shared the heartbreaking story of our he drew inspiration from the late sport journalist Viatel Karinda, whom he met a day before Karinda was killed in the 1994 genocide against the Tutsi. Gatare, who studies languages, was also known for coining nicknames for local footballers. For example, he nicknamed Jimmy Gatete Imana y'ibitego, Pogota Alabama, Gikura Nkota, Mulenda Abed, Gifaru, and Haruna Niyonzima Fabregas. Following the sad news of his passing, tributes poured in from colleagues, support figures, and media professionals. Isango Star, where he served in a managerial role, released a statement honoring his contributions. We are saddened to announce the passing of Lambert Gatare, who was a member of the management team at Isango Star. He leaves behind a lasting legacy in our journey of delivering news and quality programs. Leospol Football Club, where Gatare was a devoted supporter and a former communications official, also paid tribute, starting his legacy will rival forever. He made the younger generation love Gikundilo, giving it unforgettable nicknames. He is truly a legend. Gatare served in 2 different executive committees of Leo Sport, overseeing media and communications. His passion for the club and the Rwandan football was evident throughout his career. He is survived by his wife and 3 children. Be patient, family of Gatare.